Hi there, my name is Elena and today I want to show you my favorite bookstores, basically in East London but in Central London as well. Every Sunday we are going to Broadway market to have a breakfast, coffee and to see people, and we always come in Art World bookshop to browse new book, and here you can find modern magazines and art books, and also I really recommend the store in East London for children book with lovely cute illustrations. Another bookstore on Broadway Market is Bethnal Books. Here more art books and about design, about architecture, about music, and also you can find here rare books from Japan and magazines about culture. One more also there on Broadway Market is Broadway Bookshop. Here you can find also more popular fiction book and a lot of about cooking and about art, like different catalogs and historical books. Common Press on the Brick Lane is a new bookshop represented queer and LGBTQI community, and here you could find all books, like different books about gender, about feminism, and it's lovely cafe here as well. Down into Brick Lane you will find Brick Lane Bookshop. They're pretty busy on weekend, and here is a big collection of books about East London and about London in general. And also they have a special stand with books that will help you to understand context about our war in Ukraine. So every time when we are on the Brick Lane we are coming to the store. After Brick Lane you will find Libraria, lovely quiet spot with modern books, more popular fiction and independent publishers, and you could also spend time here just to sit, relax and to read. And one more in East London is Guest Editions, bookstore and publisher itself with books about photography, film, about visual culture, and really recommend to come here to have a coffee at Hackney Down Studio downstairs. Thank you so much for watching this small, short video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.